All right, Connor, here we go. We're going to go see the big goats. Hello, mamas. Hello. Hello. Waiting in here so pretty. Yes. Hello, mamas. Hello, mamas. Hello. Aren't you so pretty? Look at them. Yes. There's a big part of the herd. Look at them. Whoa. It definitely smells like a billy goat. Does it, Daddy? Goats. Meh. Let's go look over here. Come on. Ooh, look, Connor. There's more cows. Yes. There's some more cows. We see them eating hay? Yes. Looking good. Hello, pretty girl. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see what's over here. Yeah, hello. Hello, pretties. Hello. Hi, Orchid. Hey, buddy, with the crazy horn. Hello, pretty girl with the blue eyes. Look at her, Connor. She said hi. 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 Good morning. Good morning.